Unit 9. Heroes. Listening 9. Read and listen.
A hero and a friend. Hayden Stuzak is from Atlanta in the USA. One day, he was playing in his grandma's swimming pool with his best friend, Josiah. Hayden was practicing diving when he saw Josiah at the bottom of the pool. He was drowning. The adults did not see him. "I was the only person who saw him," said Hayden. Hayden, who is 6 years old, quickly dived into the pool. He dragged 5-year-old Josiah out of the water. A few minutes later, Josiah was breathing again. Everyone called Hayden a hero. "I'm not a hero," said Hayden. "I'm just a good friend."
Earthquake hero. 9-year-old Lin Hao from China was having a maths lesson with 30 of his classmates when there was a huge earthquake. The school building started to fall down. Lin and his classmates were trapped inside. Lin was able to escape, but his friends were still in the building. Lin went back into the building 3 times to rescue them. "It was my job to look after my classmates," he said.
Good neighbours. Kia Kurtzer, who is from Australia, was looking out of her bedroom window one night when she saw that her neighbour's bin was on fire. 14-year-old Kia first called the fire brigade. Then she ran outside to start to put the fire out. She used water from the garden hose to put out the fire. Her neighbour came to help her. When the fire brigade arrived, the fire was already out. "I was scared," said Kia, "but I think it's important to help your neighbours."